Hello guys, so welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my unlimited warm-up platform, right? This is a platform you can use to create unlimited warm-up for all your emails, any kind of email, whether Gmail, Yahoo Mail, even custom email for free, right? So everything is free. If you check out Warmup, different Warmup platforms, you will notice that they are charging a lot of money, right? Warming up costs from $20 per single email warm-up to $50 per month, right? But this particular warm-up platform, that if you want to get access to the full training, you are going to see the link in the description, and I'm going to give you the access on how to access this platform for free, right? So check the link. Once you check the link, get it through the link, and you are going to get the full video. So now let me show you. You can see that I have 107,000 emails warm up sent to all my 71 connected emails. So I connected my 71 email SMTP to this platform, and you can see we have 107,000 emails sent, warm up sent, and that is really wonderful. And this is the average health score of all my emails, 97%. So my emails, anytime I send from any of those emails that are connected, any of the 71 emails that are connected, they land directly into the inbox, right? So let me show you the emails right here. So you can see these are my emails. This particular SMTP that I connected are sent up to 1,797 emails, and I've received 286 emails. And if you check the trust score right here, it is 96%. And I can also check the analytics from here. So here is the analytics. You can see the spam score is 0. The spam score is 0. It sends directly into the inbox. You can see the trust score in the last 30 days is 100% because it has been warming up for a very long time. So these are my other emails. You can see this particular one has sent up to 1,753 emails, and I've replied 200 and has gotten replies of 287 emails. You can see it has 96% score, inbox score right here, and that's really wonderful. This is another email that has sent 1,843 emails and has received 255 emails. This one has 97% trust score. That is, the inbox rate is 97%. Look at this one, 1,843, and the received emails is 272 replies that it has gotten, right? Because it has a range of 25% reply rate according to what I set. You can see the success score right here is 96%. So if I go down, I'm going to have all my emails right here. So this is another email, 1,873, and the replies is up to 232. This one, 1,813, reply is 213. 1,889, reply is 242. And why is email warm-up very important? So if you are into cold emailing, sending emails through different SMTPs and so on and so forth, you really need warm up email. You need to warm up your email. And how does this warm up works? How it works is your SMTP will automatically be sending out emails to reputable emails, and they would reply the message in the rate of 25%. And once they reply the message, and it goes continually, your emails or your SMTP will start becoming trusted by different platforms like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or even private emails, right? So you can see I have several emails that is already connected, and you can see the trust score ranges from 96% or 95% to 100%. Look at this one. It has sent up to 2,230 emails, and it has received up to 298 emails. That is really crazy without me touching it, and everything is automated. Once this is connected, everything, the responses, the sending of messages, the sending of emails is all automated without you touching it. So your warm-up will be going on the background while your SMTP is growing, is becoming better, is becoming reputable. And if you send any cold email with any of these SMTPs, they will land directly into the inbox. This is actually very good for your email marketing. It's very good for your email marketing, and it's going to help you to get more inbox rates than you just creating an SMTP and just sending or blasting messages. This is really wonderful. If you are ready to get access to this, make sure you check my description below, click on the link, and you'll see how you can get access, and you will be able to connect your emails, unlimited emails, to this platform. So thank you guys. Bye.